Hello, my name is Alba, and I'm going to talk about our study today, which focuses on fairy tales and moral values. So, to start with a little bit of background, fairy tales are usually seen as this lesser form of literature, but they're actually great carriers of cultural history and moral norms. So in our studies, we start with the Grimms, like that's their tales are a starting point, but we also consider tales from other European countries. So, and also important to us are the values that are seen as essential by the European Union, such as democracy, freedom, justice, and so on. So, as I said, we start with the Grimms in our study. We selected 12 tales from their collection, and we select them based on their value content and also their potential for comparative analysis. And we use the structural mapping provided by the ATU system to locate equivalent tales from different countries. So in the end, we ended up with 56 tales from countries like Germany, of course, the Grimms, and also Italy, Slovenia, Cyprus, Greece, and Portugal. After that, we used the annotation tool developed by our project, FAST, and we used it to annotate explicit and implicit references to values. So in this image here, which is from our tool, you can see that we annotated the word pious with the value piety. That's an explicit or literal reference to that value. But we also identified the sentence, "I will look down on you from heaven and protect you," as an implicit reference to the power of motherhood, because this is Cinderella's mother telling her this. So some preliminary findings from the analysis of these tales show that they almost always champion ingenuity and resourcefulness, particularly for overcoming adversity. But more interesting were the differences that we found in their approaches to themes such as justice, family dynamics, authority representation, and female agency. For instance, while the Grimms usually advocate for punitive justice and uphold traditional family roles and the respect to authority figures, tales from other countries like Slovenia, Cyprus, Portugal, they often break these norms. They introduce more nuanced forms of justice, they delve into the gray areas of family relationships, and they criticize authoritative figures or roles. And they often promote, to some degree, female agency, which is quite rare. And interestingly, Greece is the only tradition that reflects the value of democracy. This is a value that I have almost never found in fairy tales. So this is a testament, I believe, to the particular history of the country. And these results, as I said, are preliminary, but they point at the power of digital tools to uncover important connecting threads in large amounts of text. So combined with traditional humanistic approaches, we can better see patterns that shape common narratives. And also we can see the divergences that point at our cultural diversity. Thank you.